Does that happen sometimes? Hello? In fact, a lot of times, people control your moods, people control the way you feel. You remember I said this in the morning? Yes or no? And even you asked me, you said that sometimes people use words with you which you react to. So how should you react? You remember? Some negative words. Here is the answer for that. Okay? But before I give you the answer, I'd like you to answer a few questions for me. And where I'll be giving you some scenarios. So here's the first scenario. The first scenario is of a dog. Okay? Imagine that you're going on the road and while you're walking, suddenly in front of you a Doberman comes up out of nowhere. Okay? And it's a big, growling, big, strong Doberman. All right? How would you feel? Tell me. Give me the feelings. Suddenly you're saying scared. Okay, somebody's saying scared. Somebody's saying terrified. But not necessarily everybody will feel like this. Give me the others' answers, please. Surprised. Somebody is just surprised. I'm sorry? Shocked. Okay. He's going to be completely shocked. Abhi kahan kaatega? Okay. Okay. What else can a person feel?
If he knows the dog, then he'll feel happy.
I'm sorry?
If he knows the dog, he'll feel happy.
Even if you don't know the dog, you can still be happy. Depends on what kind of a person you are. For an example, a dog lover or a person who's a dog trainer might feel happy. So, wow, good breed. Huh? Afraid is, okay, so fear. The person might also feel happy for some reason. If he knows the dog or doesn't know the dog. Okay, what else? One person from our company last time when we asked the same question said jealous. I said, so why jealous? You know what he said, why? He said, if he's standing with a beautiful girl. I said, okay. So people have interesting interpretations in their mind, okay? So a person feels jealous also sometimes. What else can a person feel? Do you think a person can also feel challenged? As a dog trainer? That let me see if I can control this guy? Yeah, probably challenged. What else can a person feel? This dog left alone on the road, dangerous guy. What can a person feel? Frustrated. Why frustrated? Why frustrated? Who's the bloody idiot who left the dog here? So with frustration, maybe even a little anger. Okay? Okay, so far, so good. We've got all kinds of feelings here. Some negative, some positive. Okay, good enough. Let's go to the next feeling. Okay? Now, a lot of you, probably all of you are, most of you are not married, but doesn't matter, you'll still get the answers here. Wife. The situation is, husband and wife have a conversation with each other in the morning, and the husband says that, sweetheart, I'm going to be late in the evening today, so please keep dinner ready for me because I don't want to have food outside since I've got acidity problem. She says, fine, no problem. And in the evening when he comes home late around 8:30 p.m., he sees that his wife is not at home. He checks out the whole house, he doesn't find her, so he asks the maid servant saying, where's my wife? So she says, I don't know, sir, where is she gone? In fact, she's gone and she's not even said where she's gone since afternoon, she's out. And now he's thinking. So then he goes to the kitchen and then he sees that there is no food also made. How does he feel? Tell me the feelings. Angry. Probably the person is feeling angry. Okay, the person is also feeling worried. Is she going to come back or not? Worried. Concerned. Probably the person is concerned. What else can a person feel? Curious. Acha, suspicious. Baaju wala ghar pe hai ki nahi? Suspicious, right? Doubtful. Okay. What else can a person feel? Surprised. You know that a person can actually feel surprised saying, this is not her nature, this is not, normally she would not do this, where would she have gone? What else can a person feel? Happy. Person feels happy. Chalo, अच्छा हो गया गई. आज तो खाना बाहर से खाऊंगा. Right? Person can feel different things. I'm sorry?
Desperate feeling that he has to cook.
Okay, so the person feeling hungry. The maid is there. She's made all the arrangements for the husband. The person can feel hungry or the person can feel desperate to cook. Excited. Okay, see, people can have different feelings. Huh? Excited. Okay, he's got freedom tonight. What else can a person feel? Frustrated. He'll say, see, she doesn't love me. I told you. Frustrated. What else can a person feel? Okay, so far so good. Let's go to the last situation, okay? You'll love this situation. It's called boss. Okay? The boss has given you a project to work on and he said, please make sure that you finish this project and give it to me back by tomorrow afternoon. You said fine. The project was a very hard working project. You worked on it very hard. The entire night you did not sleep. Next morning, you came to the office early so that you could access the network in the office, finish whatever work is required on the project. By exactly noon, which is 12 noon in the afternoon next morning, or next afternoon, you go and give to your boss the project and saying, here is the project ready. And you're very feeling proud about it, but that you worked so hard on it. And your eyes and all are swollen up because you worked so hard. Now the boss looks at the project, he goes through it. Then he says, what is this bullshit? Couldn't you work a little hard on this? How do you feel? Okay, frustrated. Frustrated, thinking. Some people feel frustrated thinking, isko hire ki qadar nahi hai. Possibly, right? What else can a person feel? Disappointed, okay? Thinking I did so much of hard work and didn't appreciate that. What else?
Call him an asshole first.
Okay, you call him the dash hole, whatever you call it. Okay? Alright, so you abuse him. And you feel basically angry. That's what you do is not important, what you feel is angry. What else?
Challenged.
Feel challenged. Very good. A person might actually feel challenged saying, if I can convince this guy, I can convince anybody. Let me go and do an even better job than this, right? What else can a person feel? Absolutely. A person might actually feel humiliated, and thus the person may also feel like
Valueless.
valueless. So basically demoralized, right? Demoralized, and along with demoralized, then probably some people may also feel like resigning. Demotivated. Resigning. Some people may also feel normal. ये तो रोज ऐसे ही बोलता है हो सकता है ना some person may also feel normal बोले doesn't matter यार होता है don't worry past experience depends right okay no that may also past experience from the previous boss alright so it doesn't matter the situation what you got in your mind but these are the feelings so far so good now here's my question to you look at the whole thing and tell me what can we learn from this. See, there are happy feelings, challenged feelings in all three actually. Positive and negative, all three. Is that right combination? Okay. But what can we learn from it?
Other people are controlling our feelings.
That is one. But what else can you learn from it?
The choice is mine.
Yeah. Do you see that different people are feeling differently in the same situation?
Right. No, but everybody has a blend of all the feelings.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
It's not that person is choosing one feeling.
No, I got that.
Everybody has all the feelings, but with a different degree of intensity.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So the dog is the same. 20 people face the same situation of the dog, and yet everybody feels differently at the same time. Let's take the boss situation. Let's say the boss shouts at 5 people at the same time. Do you think they will all feel the same? No. Feel differently? Okay. Similarly, if the wife is wife is not the same. Okay. But if the situation is the same, will people feel the same? No. Again, somebody will feel concerned, somebody feels frustrated, somebody gets angry, somebody is happy and excited. People feel differently, right? Yes or no? Yes. So what does it tell us?
Different state of mind. You choose your option.
Yeah. So here's a question, and answer this question based on your past experience, not based on what we just learned. Normally, what do you think? Do you think people and situations are responsible for your feelings?
Yes.
See, the spontaneous answer is yes. And I'm not worried about that. The spontaneous answer is yes. People and situations are responsible for our feelings. Is that right? Yes. Then let me ask you another question. If people and situations are responsible for our feelings, which means you're saying, if the dog, wife and the boss are responsible for our feelings, then logically, if that answer is yes, then the same situation should have got the same feeling for everybody.
It depends on your capacity.
Whose capacity? The person's capacity? Individual capacity? Superb. Individual reaction? Is that right? Yes. So now, again ask the same question. Do you think people and situations are responsible for your feelings?
No. Ourselves is responsible. There is a degree of influence. No. It is not that it is.
I'm asking the word responsible.
Responsibility is primarily yours. How can